Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Agua Termal is probably one of the most underrated skincare secrets out there. This refreshing mist, sourced from thermal springs, is packed with minerals that can soothe and hydrate your skin. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Agua Termal, exploring its benefits and helping you find the perfect product for your skin. Number 5. Garnier Micellar Water, Hydrating Cleanser. Introducing Garnier Micellar Water, a gentle all-in-one cleanser. This product effectively removes makeup, dirt, and oil, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and hydrated. This soothing formula is designed for all skin types, including sensitive skin. It gently cleanses without overdrying, leaving your skin healthy and hydrated. Powered by Micellar technology, it acts like a magnet to lift away impurities. It removes makeup, sunscreen, and excess oil in one simple step. No rinsing or harsh rubbing is needed. This product is safe for your face, lips, and eye area. It's also vegan, cruelty-free, and free of harsh chemicals. It's America's #1 micellar water brand, with a bottle sold every 3 seconds. Try it and see why it's so popular. What we like. This cleanser is an all-in-one solution, effectively removing makeup and impurities. Its gentle formula is perfect for sensitive skin, leaving it feeling refreshed and hydrated. If you're looking for a convenient and effective way to cleanse your face without harsh rubbing, you should consider this product. What people say. Agua Termal is a great product for hydrating the skin. It leaves the skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. The fine mist is perfect for setting makeup. Number 4. Avène Thermal Spring Water Facial Mist. Is your skin feeling irritated? This mist is specifically designed for sensitive skin. It provides instant relief and a soothing sensation. Formulated with unique mineral and biological properties, it works to calm and soothe your skin. The gentle formula helps to reduce redness and discomfort. This mist not only calms but also softens your skin. It leaves your complexion feeling refreshed and supple. Use it throughout the day for a boost of hydration. The secret lies in its unique blend of minerals and biological ingredients. They work together to provide optimal care for sensitive skin. It's a must-have for your skincare routine. Experience the power of Avène Thermal Spring Water. It's a gentle and effective solution for sensitive skin. Try it today and feel the difference. What we like. This thermal water spray is designed to soothe and calm sensitive skin. Its unique formula is enriched with mineral and biological properties. If you have easily irritated skin or need a refreshing boost throughout the day, this product is a great choice. What people say. Agua Termal is a great product for hydrating the skin. It leaves the skin feeling refreshed. The product is effective in providing a soothing effect. Number 3. La Roche-Posay Thermal Spring Water Face Mist. Introducing La Roche-Posay Thermal Spring Water. This facial spray is designed to hydrate and soothe your skin, leaving it feeling refreshed and revitalized. It's perfect for a quick pick-me-up throughout the day. This mist is enriched with antioxidants. They help protect your skin from environmental stressors. Use it to keep your skin healthy and glowing. Experience instant hydration with every spray. It provides a burst of moisture to your face. This makes it ideal for all skin types, especially those prone to dryness. The formula is gentle yet effective. It calms and soothes irritated skin. It's a great addition to any skincare routine. Try La Roche-Posay Thermal Spring Water today. You will love how it makes your skin feel. It's a simple step for a healthier, more hydrated complexion. What we like. This facial spray is packed with antioxidants to hydrate and soothe your skin. It's a convenient way to refresh your face and provide essential hydration. If you are looking for a quick pick-me-up or a way to combat environmental stressors, you should consider this product. What people say. Agua Termal is a great product for hydrating the skin. It leaves the skin feeling refreshed. It is a good product to use after cleansing the face. Number 2. Glow Recipe Watermelon Niacinamide Dew Drops. This award-winning niacinamide serum gives you instant hydration and glow. It's a brightening Korean face serum and makeup primer hybrid with a lightweight gel texture. It reveals immediate illumination without any gray cast. This hydrating serum contains hyaluronic acid, the best hydrator. It reveals supple, bouncy, and dewy skin. The thin, buildable texture makes it suitable for all skin types, even oily ones. Rich in niacinamide and watermelon, this brightening serum uses protective amino acids, vitamins C and A. It helps revive dullness, minimize pores, soothe skin, and treat fine lines and wrinkles. The possibilities are endless with this juicy, watermelon-scented facial serum. Incorporate it into your skincare routine, prep your makeup, or use it as a liquid highlighter. The promise is natural, glowing skin, no matter the occasion. This product is made without parabens, mineral oil, sulfates, phthalates, dry alcohols, and synthetic dyes. It, along with all other Glow Recipe skincare products, is vegan and cruelty-free. What we like. This serum gives you an instant dewy glow and replenishes moisture with hyaluronic acid. It also promotes smooth, even skin, thanks to its niacinamide-rich formula. If you like a radiant complexion and want to minimize pores and fine lines, you should consider this product. What people say. Agua Termal is a great product for hydrating the skin. It leaves the skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. The fine mist is perfect for setting makeup. Number 1. EcoSmart ECO11 Electric Tankless Water Heater. Tired of running out of hot water? This heater provides consistent hot water whenever you need it. It continuously monitors water temperature and flow rates, ensuring efficiency and consistent performance. This unit maintains water temperature within 1 degree of your selected setting. You'll enjoy a comfortable and reliable hot water supply. It ensures a steady and predictable experience. Compared to traditional tank heaters, this is 90% smaller. It can be installed on a wall or at the point of use. Its compact dimensions make it easy to fit in various spaces. This tankless water heater is 99% thermal energy efficient. It only heats water when it's needed, unlike tank heaters that constantly maintain temperature. This can lead to significant energy savings. The 13 kilowatt model is perfect for a bathroom, small sink, or office break room. It provides between 1.3 and 3.1 gallons per minute, depending on the inlet water temperature. Check the sizing guide to find the right fit for your needs. What we like. This electric tankless water heater provides endless on-demand hot water, ensuring you never run out. It saves space with its compact design and is energy efficient, heating water only when needed. If you're looking for a modern, space-saving, and energy-conscious solution for hot water, you should consider this product. What people say. Agua Termal is a great product for hydrating the skin. It leaves the skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. The fine mist is perfect for setting makeup. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.